Welcome back everybody, and today, you hear the clicking sound? Let's get rid of it. Let's go! Okay, so here you are in the sequencer again, and this is the song we're going to edit. It's the remix of the bootleg that I did from that remix from the original from Blackstreet and Foxy Brown. I Gotta Get You Home Tonight. Remember that song? Let's go! Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to solo the sub bass and listen to the problem. So did you hear the problem? Every time the bass played, you can hear a clicking sound, and that's the problem we're going to address. So while playing the bass, I'm using the release of the ADSR to give the bass more release. So before I heard 2 clicking sounds and now I hear 1. So now I'm going to use the attack to give him less attack. See what happens. Et voila, the clicking sound is gone and the sub bass sounds sweet. See you in the next one. Peace out.